The Bridal Masterclass Experience is a very intensive, innovative, immersive 2-day education. And so day one is full of seminars from amazing speakers from around the country. Second day, you actually get to have a hands-on experience with industry pros who know what they're talking about when it comes to style shoots and getting published.
Where I think collaborating is so helpful because it allows everyone to see that there's several different ways of doing things. There's several different ways of being creative. There's so many different ways of styling and design, and I think it's nice that it opens their eyes to a lot of different concepts and styles.
An event like the Bridal Masterclass, you're meeting people of all different levels, of all different experience. It's an amazing way to just stay ahead of the curve.
It's about development and evolving and seeing new trends, seeing what your peers creatively are doing and learning from each other. There's always room to grow and always room to learn more.
The millennials want to spend money. They are spending money. $200 billion they are spending, and we're not paying attention, and we're not trying to figure out how to talk to them.
The networking aspect here especially is what drew me in and why I think other people should be attending and talking with other people and collaborating with other people.
One of my biggest takeaways is the stuff that I'm going to actually take home, action plans to help with my business.
I also loved learning about ways to kind of update my style of selling, be more inclusive and just more understanding of all the different ways that I can outreach to new prospective clients. I really loved hearing all of the information from all the experts.